Today we will visit Cactus Leather Production Factory. Stay with us and follow us to see this educational process.
Cactus plants grown for cactus leather sheet.
Mature cactus for cactus leather sheet identified.
Mature cactus selected for cactus leather sheet. Cactus leaves cut for cactus leather sheet. Cactus leaves cut for cactus leather sheet. Cactus leaves collected for cactus leather sheet. Cactus leaves loaded for cactus leather sheet production.
Cactus leaves arrive for cactus leather sheet processing.
Cactus leaves weighed for cactus leather sheet. Cactus leaves tagged for cactus leather sheet batches. Of these leather sheet batches.
Cactus leaves stored for cactus leather sheet production.
Yamatundra Shohleitais. Cactus leaves inspected for cactus leather sheet quality.
Cactus leaves washed for cactus leather sheet. Cactus leaves cleaned for cactus leather sheet.
Cactus leaves drained for cactus leather sheet.
Cactus skin trimmed for cactus leather sheet. Cactus pulp separated for cactus leather sheet.
Cactus pulp collected for cactus leather sheet.
Unusable cactus removed from cactus leather sheet process.
Approved cactus pulp moved for cactus leather sheet.
Cactus pulp moisture checked for cactus leather sheet.
Cactus pulp queued for cactus leather sheet production. Cactus pulp ground for cactus leather sheet.
Plant fibers extracted for cactus leather sheet.
Cactus pulp refined for cactus leather sheet. Plant fibers extracted for cactus leather sheet.
Fibers washed for cactus leather sheet.
Natural binders prepared for cactus leather sheet. Cactus mixture blended for cactus leather sheet. Cactus mixture tested for cactus leather sheet.
Cactus mixture verified for cactus leather sheet. Cactus mixture rested for cactus leather sheet.
Cactus mixture fed to form cactus leather sheet.
Cactus leather sheet spread evenly on casting table. Cactus leather sheet thickness adjusted by rollers. Cactus leather sheet surface leveled smoothly. Air bubbles removed from cactus leather sheet.
Cactus leather sheet inspected before drying. Unantopicus is in before drying.
Cactus leather sheet enters drying chamber.
Cactus leather sheet cured under controlled heat. Moisture evaporates from cactus leather sheet.
Cactus leather sheet cools after curing.
Cactus leather sheet checked for strength. Cactus leather sheet flex tested manually.
The MTS machine applies increasing tension to the cactus leather sample. We're measuring the force required before the fibers finally yield, as you see here.
Approved cactus leather sheets stacked.
Embossing setup prepared for cactus leather sheet.
Texture embossed onto cactus leather sheet. Cactus leather sheet pattern consistency inspected. Natural color applied to cactus leather sheet.
Cactus leather sheet polished smoothly.
Color fixed on cactus leather sheet.
Finished cactus leather sheet exits line.
Cactus leather sheet positioned for cutting. Cactus leather sheet trimmed to size.
Cactus leather sheet. Cactus leather sheet standardized by size.
Edges of cactus leather sheet inspected. Cactus leather sheet rolled carefully.
Cactus leather sheet wrapped securely.
Label applied to cactus leather sheet roll.
Cactus leather sheet batch logged digitally.
Cactus leather sheet stored in warehouse.
Shipment scheduled for cactus leather sheet.
Cactus leather sheet loaded for transport.
Cactus leather sheet placed on display table.
Cactus leather sheet texture shown close-up.
Cactus leather sheet flexibility demonstrated. Cactus leather sheet stitch tested.
Cactus leather sheet shown in bags. Cactus leather sheet shown in car seats. Cactus leather sheet shown in footwear.
Sustainability badge shown on cactus leather sheet.
Carbon footprint mark displayed for cactus leather sheet.
QA seal applied to cactus leather sheet. Export compliance mark displayed.
Cactus leather sheet archived digitally.
Cactus leather sheet ready for market.
Cactus leather sheet isolated on white background.
Cactus leather sheet rolls stacked neatly.
Cactus leather sheet inventory overview.
Cactus leather sheet final packaging completed.
Durable, sustainable, and elegant. See how Cactus leather is making an impact across the globe.
Cactus leather sheet fully certified.